Hey, what's up guys? Punta tayo ng Batangas at tayo magpo-food trip dun. And babalitaan ko kayo kung gaano masarap ang pagkain dun. Saan tayo pupunta? Oh, punta tayo sa bahay ni Ate Queen. Oh, kasama natin ang ating family. At si Sky, ayan. Oh, yung DX. Oh, yun. So ayun, gabi na, nakayaan mag-swimming. Ayan, we're setting up the stuff here. Ayan, kasama ang aking bayaw. Ayan. Tapos I'll update you guys kung anong tsura. Kung ano. Pagka ba sila King?
Pero, okay ba? Yun ang mahiwagang bato.
O ba't may bato dyan?
Ay, nga, pagkalso ko. Kaya nga dito rin mawala.
See? Apa dito? Apa dito?
Wala nga seat cover yan eh.
Hindi pala spark. Lalagyan ng mga safe.
Oh. Magpapalagay daw si sakay na si Echo sa jet ski. Tumawag na jet ski. Let's go. Okay, Marcus said baba na. Go down na. Said. Kuya, where's said? Hala. 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 Where's said? Hala. Hala.
No, Sed's not. That's only at the Queenie Echo.
Hala. 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 Hala.
Liwan sila doon? Yeah.
Hala.
Hindi mo tinawag?
You didn't call them? Hala. Hala.
Diba I told you they're gonna sit beside you?
Oh. You gonna come back?
Dad, no, I don't.
You don't want to come back for Zed? No.
That is sad there.
No.
What? Dad was
I thought Zed's with you. And Kuya Marcus.
No.
Oh.
I thought Kuya Marcus and sad
Hala.
is gonna come.
Naku. Where's Zed? Hala. 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 Where's Zed?
It's a prank. Dad, I knew it was a prank. There's no way I left Sad because I checked upstairs.
So we arrived here at Bella Posto. Bella Posto. Here in Batangas. Ayan. Looks so nice. This is Batangas. Nasaan na sila? Oh. Nasaan sila? Oh. Ayun sila oh. Gusto nyo mag-basketball, you can play here. Ito kayo mag-iinom. Oh, sarap po. Bigla ang swimming. Oo.
Oh, di ba? Wala nang plano-plano.
Walang plano-plano. Oh. Sad, are you hungry? How about you? Are you hungry? So you tell them. In this video, we're gonna mukbang. We're gonna mukbang giniling, adobo, menudo, and carbonara. Okay, so update lang guys. I'm left with Basti. Tayo naging tomorrow I'm looking forward na mag food trip because nagkabiglaan, nag-swimming kami dito. And gusto ko na mag Batangas Koto or something na pwedeng ma-food tripan. So I'm gonna update you tomorrow guys. Okay? Good morning guys, kakagising ko lang. So ito na, umuwi din kami. Hindi kami ito natulog sa resort and then we went home. Sa alas 4 na ako natulog. Dami kong ginawa. Gusto ko sana kumain ng so later, pagdaan, maghanap ako ng masarap na ng Goto Batangas sa Lomi. So, yun. Dito tayo kakain ng Goto Batangas and Bulalo. And this is the secret shop. Saan lugar to? Bolbok. Daming kakain. All hungry na. So this is their Goto Batangas na assorted. Laman niya. Tapos, ano mo siya dito. Lalagay mo yung ganyan. Tapos, ganyan. Okay? So titikman natin yung Goto Batangas na assorted. Get the patis and the sibuyas. Wow. Quality. Take ko ako nito after.